Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram username. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. Go to your profile from bottom right corner and tap on Edit Profile. Here you will see your username. Tap on that and change it as you want. Now tap on the tick icon on top right corner to save. Now tap on tick icon on top right corner again. And if you go back to your profile, you'll see that your username has been changed. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.